Alright, y'all, another next buy right here. I just bought this, man, off of Facebook right here. It's an 03 Ford Explorer. Very clean, man. Very clean.
Stay, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
And then besides this wheel right here, I just peeped, that's the spare. But I got all the wheels for this truck anyway, so I ain't stressing it. That's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. So I just invested in a little dirty right now. I got the other car, so this is gonna get replaced. I ain't gonna worry about that. No check engine light, which is good. Airbag light, whatever sensors I got. It's running right now, so taking this back home and seeing what we can do with it. It's dope though. Everything is pretty much intact, man. On the outside, I got a whole another truck that I can use for parts, and I don't have to with this one. So I might be buying another one. Look, dust is still on there, y'all. Just got this shit. So yeah, I might be buying another one. All right, this is common with the Fords, but it's gonna get sold like that. You know, whatever. And this girl put this Believe shit all over the place. I want to get rid of these. It's a girl's car, but that's the buy right there, y'all. This is it. And this McDonald's line is not getting any shorter. So, all right, tune in for this one, y'all. It's coming soon, man. I just bought this though, in Jersey, and we're going back to Brooklyn. Clean, though. Shit nice. Didn't even check this, but yeah. All right, y'all. What's up, man? Yeah. So I just got back. You know, we did a little ride. It was alright. It was alright. Got me and Combo here. Car shit. Still got the video going good. Day after, next morning. See the Impala and the two trucks right back there. It was good timing. Right. And honestly, y'all, what a trip it was. I'm tired today, but I ain't working on that car for a little while. Maybe a couple of days. Got some other things to do. What up, man? I'm here again. I know y'all see the new toy behind me. There's always something new. And I got the other toy behind me. Yeah, I bought two Ford Explorers, right? A lady upstairs asked me for a truck. So here she goes, she's getting it. This black one right here. It's technically hers. I got a friend of mine that already offered me some bread for it. Both of them run. Only thing, this one has a title. This one doesn't. So this one is just a parts car. And this one, like I said, they both move. It's not stolen or anything. It's just I got it from a shop that had it for like 2 years, 3 years, and I guess the customer never came in and picked it up. So that is what it is. Let me show you it though. My mom's out here, tell her. So this is an 02 Ford Explorer right here. This is a 03. Both of them cosmetically are great, right? And pretty much have everything intact. So you have this Ford Explorer over here, which has the original rims, as you can see, but it's missing this one on the front. That's the spare. So my plan is to take these wheels off and put it there. So that's just one little simple job. Right now I'm doing the light on the license plate. I'm doing the brake light. I'm changing those bulbs. right? Because obviously this one doesn't need to be working, but this one does. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then we'll move forward. Now let me go to this truck though, right here. All right. This is the parts car. Clean sound. I don't know what happened exactly. A little dent in the back door, but not my concern at this point. The only thing, this truck does seem higher than this truck, so I want to make sure. It could be just the wheels. I'm not sure exactly, but I want to make sure of that. And hopefully we can swap them no problem. But yeah, this is what we're doing, man. This is what we're doing. And you see the Impala over there, finished, complete, turns on. Only thing that needs to get done is paint, but that's done. I'm not even stressing that car anymore. And I'm just gonna do a little knickknacks right here, right now, just to get it out the way. But yeah, man, that's what we're doing. Now you wanna look inside the 3 rows. All of them have 3 rows. This car is clean. I ain't gonna front, man. This car is real clean. And it turns on. So only thing I could say possibly it has rust on the lower end, but the person I'm selling this car to, he's gonna beat the shit out of it. So like I said, I'm working on getting a newer one for the lady and using whatever I need for that new truck and take the parts over this one. But get back to work.